Hello children, welcome to Math Park. We'll continue with chapter 2, Banking of Class C from the book Concise Selena. We start with exercise 2B and this will be solved in two parts children. So we solve first 5 questions over here. So if you like it, please share with your friends, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. So we start with question number 1. Pramod deposits rupees 600 per month in a recurring deposit account for 4 years. If the rate of interest is 8% per year, calculate the maturity value of his account. So let us note down the things given over here. So we have installment per month, which is denoted as P, is rupees 600. Number of months is 48. It is 4 years. So 4 times 12 is 48. The rate of interest is 8% per annum. So let us now calculate interest over here, which is given by P into N in bracket N plus 1 upon 2 times 12 times R by 100. Substitute the values. P is 600. So 2 times 12. So we get 24 and 12 2 Simplify this. We have these two zeros get cancelled and we get this as 4,704 is our interest. So we got the interest as 4,704 rupees. Now the maturity value is P times N in plus I. So let's put the values. P, which is 600 installment per month, number of months 48, and the interest is 4,704. 600 times 48 is 28,800 plus rupees 4,704 gives rupees 33,504, and this is the maturity value for Pramod. For this, so Pramod will get rupees 33,504 at the time of maturity. Let's start with question number 2. Ritu has a recurring deposit in a bank and deposit rupees 80 per month for 18 months. It is good to save even in the small installment. Find the rate of interest by the bank if the maturity value of account is 1,554. So the deposit per month, installment per month is rupees 80. Number of months is 18. So it is 1.5 year. Find the rate of interest. So rate of interest is R per percent per annum. Let us find interest in terms of R. So P, which is 80, N is 18, N plus 1 is 19, 18 plus 1, 19 into R by 100. So let us simplify this. 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are and 3 4s are. Simplify, you get 4 2s are 8. So we have 2 1s are and 2 5s are. Simplifying this, 3 times 19 by 5, we get 11.4 R. So we got I in terms of R. Now the maturity value is P times N plus I. Maturity value is known to us. So let us put in the formula. P, which is 80 times 18 plus the interest, which is 11.4 R, gives the maturity value 1,554. 80 times 18 is 1440 plus 11.4 R. This 1440 we shifted, we solve this equation. We get 11.4 R is equal to 1,554 minus 1,440, which is 114. So R is equal to 114 divided by 11.4, which is 10% per annum. So this is how the rate of interest is 10% per annum, which is given by the bank. Okay, for this RD account. Let us start with question number 3. In the maturity value of RD account is given to you as 16,176. If the monthly installment is rupees 400, the rate of interest is 8%. Find the time period of this RD account. So we are asked to find time period, which is N. So let us note down the things given over here. So we have installment per month is rupees 400. Then the rate of interest is 8% per annum. Number of months, let us take it as N. Let us find interest in terms of N. Put the value P is 400 into N in bracket N plus 1 upon 2 times 12 into 8 by 100. Simplify this. So we get it as, so 0, you get 2, 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 3s and 2 4s. So we get this as 4n in bracket n plus 1 upon 3. This is your interest in terms of n. Now maturity value is p times n plus I. 400 times n, which is p plus 4n in bracket n plus 1 divided by 3. This is the interest, gives 16,176. So let us simplify this equation. So multiplying by this 3, having the LCM over here. So 3 times 400 is 1200n plus 4 times n is 4n square. 4 times 1 is 4n. And then denominator was 3, which goes here. 16,176 times 3, you get 48,528. Now dividing this throughout by 4, let us divide this throughout by 4. First we add this, we get 1204n. So now we will take this 48,528 here and divide by 4. 4n square divided by 4 is n square. 1,204 divided by n is 301n. And 48,528 divided by 4 is 12,132. Now we need to find the factors of 12,132 such that the difference is 301. So we get the factors as 337 and 36. So 337 would be positive as 301, middle term is positive. Solving this, we get n is equal to minus 337 or n is equal to positive. If n plus 337 is equal to 0, you will get n is equal to minus 337. But the number of months cannot be negative. That is why we take n minus 36 is equal to 0. We get n is equal to 36, which is 3 years. This is how the period of RD account is 3 years. Question number 4. Mr. Bajaj needs rupees 30,000 after 2 years. What least money in multiple of 5 must he deposit every month in a recurring deposit account to get the required money after 2 years? The rate of interest being 8% per annum. So he is needing 30,000. See the planning to be done. So what is the money that he should? So let us take the installment per month to be P. Okay, and then the number of months is 2 years. So 2 times 12, which is 24 months. The rate of interest is 8% per annum. Let us find interest in terms of P. So P into N in bracket 10 plus 1 upon 2 times 12 into R by 100 is your interest. So P we don't know. N is 24. 24 into 25. 12 2s are 2 and 2 gone. 25 4s are 100. 25 4s are 100. 4 2s are. So we get I is equal to 2P. Now we got maturity value is P times N plus I. So P times 24 plus interest is 2P gives you 30,000 is the maturity amount which he needs. So 24P plus 2P is 26P gives 30,000. So P is equal to 30,000 divided by 26, which we get in decimals as 1,153.84. Now so this is the principal he should invest, but he wants to invest in the multiples of 5. So just closest multiple of 5 is going to be 1,155. So Mr. Bajaj should invest 1,155 per month to get 30,000 after 2 years. Got that? Question number 5. Mr. Richard has a recurring deposit account in a post office for 3 years at 7.5% per annum simple interest. If he gets 8,325 as interest at the time of maturity, find the monthly installment. So monthly installment is to be P, which we don't know. Interest over the period is given to you as 8,325. Rate of interest is 7.5% per annum. The time is 3 years, which is 36 months. Interest is P bracket N in bracket n plus 1 upon 2 times 12 into R by 100. Let us put the values, and interest is given to you as 8,325. So simplifying this, we get this as 12 3s and then 75, it is 75 by 1000. So we get 25. If I divide by 25, 25 3s and 25 40s, we are going to get 3 by 40. And simplifying this further, taking P, keep P here, take all the things to other side and simplify, you get principal as rupees 2,000. Now we got the principal as 2,000. We know that the amount of maturity is given as T into n plus I. 2000 times 36 is 72,000 plus 8,325. The maturity value is rupees 80,325. The exercises are easy, children. If you find it is helpful, please share with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Coming up with the part 2 of exercise 2B soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.